It's the ultimate challenge. How do we feed ourselves on a barren, airless rock, 240,000 miles away from Earth? NASA has been working on a solution for decades, and the stakes are higher than ever. As we prepare to return to the moon in the Artemis program, we must answer this question: how do we grow food on the moon? Scientists at the University of Florida have been experimenting with lunar soil brought back during the Apollo program. They've had some success growing small plants, but it's not easy. Lunar soil is incredibly dry and lacks the necessary nutrients and water that plants need to thrive. In addition, the lunar surface is exposed to intense radiation and temperature fluctuations, which can harm or even kill the plants. But NASA is not giving up. They've been working on developing a robust plant collection that could serve as the ultimate multi-purpose life support system, producing calories and nutrients to eat. One of the ways to do this is by using lunar soil simulants, which are made from materials such as volcanic ash and can mimic the chemical and physical properties of lunar soil, which has had some success so far. Another approach is to use hydroponics, which is a method of growing plants in water instead of soil. This can provide plants with the necessary nutrients and water while protecting them from the harsh lunar environment. By using hydroponics, NASA can grow plants in a controlled environment that can be adjusted to provide the perfect balance of light, temperature, humidity, and carbon dioxide levels. Hydroponic systems also have the added benefit of being more compact and efficient, making them ideal for use in space missions. One NASA scientist is even growing radishes at home to test how they would grow on the moon. The team plans to include a small, simple camera and take images and other data available so that, as he envisions it, kids on Earth can watch radishes grow on the moon. NASA's plan is to maintain a permanent and sustainable human presence on the moon by 2028. And food production will be a crucial part of this plan, but it won't be easy. The challenges are many, from the harsh lunar environment to the logistics of transporting food and equipment. But we've come this far, and we won't give up until we can sustain life on the moon. Other space agencies, such as the European Space Agency, ESA, and the Chinese National Space Administration, CNSA, are also working on strategies to grow food in space. The ESA has been researching the use of algae as a food source for space missions, while CNSA is focusing on developing food production systems for long-term missions on the moon and Mars. One of the key challenges in growing food on the moon is creating a suitable environment for plants to thrive. NASA is researching the use of lunar greenhouses, which can provide a controlled environment for plants to grow while protecting them from the harsh lunar environment. These greenhouses can use artificial lighting, air filtration, and temperature regulation to create ideal plant growth conditions. Another important aspect of growing food on the moon is creating a sustainable food production system. NASA is researching the use of vertical farming, which allows for efficient use of space and can produce a large number of plants in a small area. This system also allows for the recycling of water and nutrients, reducing the need for resources from Earth. Growing food on Mars presents similar challenges to the moon, with an even harsher environment. NASA is researching the use of permafrost, the frozen soil found on Mars, as a source of water and nutrients for plants. Additionally, they are looking into using underground caverns, which can provide a stable environment for plants to grow while also protecting them from the harsh Martian surface. Growing food on the moon and beyond is a complex and challenging task, but it's one that we must solve if we hope to establish a permanent human presence on other celestial bodies. NASA and other space agencies are working tirelessly to develop sustainable food production systems that can thrive in the harsh conditions of space. The future of space exploration and human settlement depends on it. Thank you for watching, and make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Also, you can watch another one of our videos by clicking the card on your screen.